is about the how the universes create come into existence. Universes come into an end. The multiverses come into existence, and even multiverses come into an end. Right? It all depends on the theory as taught by the Gautama Buddha, which is known as the theory of the dependent origination. The dependent origination means what in basic simple terms the past conditions makes the present conditions, right? And the present conditions would make the future conditions. That's called the theory of dependent origination. So this is how the past conditions of a god, whoever the god, whether it's Islam, Christian, Hinduism, or Judaism, and believing and doing certain things, right? Belief, I said, faith, trust, you did, and now we have come to pandemic, and so it's because the theory of dependent origination, the past conditions only made this condition today, right? And the present conditions would decide the future condition. That's why the human brain, mind, cognition processes are there to develop and take control. If people can't take control, now here in this situation, obviously, if the pandemic, nobody can take control now. So now in these situations, what would what we can foresee is the present conditions, the pandemic spreads and people can't survive. So under these circumstances, what would what we can see is that the last human would also leave the planet on that day, since the space-time universe is related to one's inner one's brain, mind, and the the cognition process, right? So it's a different mental state